Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tlale. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Twitter is currently busy and hectic after there has been serious and damaging allegations of sexual abuse which is being leveled against fashion designer Tlale. These serious and damning allegations of sexual abuse were made by a guy called Zack, who at the time said he worked as a public relations practitioner, who said David took advantage of him as he tried getting into the industry about 2 years ago. So he took to his Instagram and shared his alleged experience with the fashion designer. This is what he said. This man with ulterior motive got close to me at the age of 21 while working for a certain company, which is how we met, forged a friendship. I was charmed and inspired by him, a role model to me at the time, and to cut a long story short, he drugged and sexually abused me. He then exploited me of my skills during the pandemic. He would ask if I write him presses, sponsorship proposal and other strategic or copy, promised to pay me, often in clothing, but wouldn't actually. And when I reminded him, he'd get defensive and gaslight me. He later offered me a job as his PR and communication manager at my very most vulnerable. I think 2 weeks out of rehab, unemployment, he played around my desperation for purpose, tricked me down exactly 66%. I calculated less than that. Both he and I knew I was worth at the time. Gaslit me and lied to make me believe he had bigger plans for me and his brand. Continued to use me, commented on my body and weight gain in the office during my most insecure days, when I was literally gaining weight daily as side effects from my depression medication. And then he tried so hard to crush my self-esteem and confidence. I left his brand after 3 months working for him and swore never to work in the fashion media industry again, a passion and vocation of mine. It took me almost 2 years to realize that I didn't deserve any of that, to fully understand that it was in fact a sexual assault, that I was taken advantage of, just how pure my intentions were. I was young, fragile, fuck. And since this realization, I've been crying myself to an unhealthy sleeping routine, and I've told no one until my family this morning. Realizing this has been upsetting, confusing, sad, and anxiety-inducing. I've been in denial and constantly bearing this trauma. At some point, I was suicidal, blamed, and basically fell out of love with myself. Now, I continue to heal and build a stronger self-image and confidence. Today, 3 years later, this is the first time I share this with anyone, and it's on here. I don't want anyone to play me the world's smallest violin. Victim mentality is not in my nature. I guess it's solely me transcending this past and basically saying fuck you so much at Tlale. You are a rapist, a couch caster, and overall a narcissist. God bless you, but first find God. Tlale has not yet responded to these serious allegations, you guys. Now please do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.